How to manage comment privacy on RedNote. This video will show you how to change your comment settings and control who can interact with your posts. First, open the RedNote app and tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right corner and open Settings. Now go to Privacy. Depending on your app version, look for Who Can Comment settings or Send Live settings. Here, you'll be able to choose who can comment on your posts. You can usually select options such as everyone, following, or no one, depending on the features available in your region and app version. Some versions also let you filter comments or limit interactions for better privacy. After selecting your preferred option, the changes are saved automatically, and your new comment privacy settings will apply to future interactions. If you don't see these options, make sure you're using the latest version of the RedNote app, as privacy settings may vary between updates and regions. And that's how you can easily manage comment privacy on RedNote.